Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I'm going to cover this project SynthSwap. This is on pre-sale on zkSync. This is a DX with a very interesting functionality. So we are going to cover about this project, about this pre-sale, and also they are doing a giveaway, so I will show you how to participate on that. And like always in my videos, we go and cover a little bit about the project. I will give you some steps and the links to the giveaway and the link to the pre-sale also if you are interested. By no means this is not a paid review. I know that some YouTubers are covering this project because they are paying, and it's fine and it's okay about that, but I don't have any contact with the project, so this is my honest opinion about SynthSwap because I am actually interested and I am investing in this project right now. So before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Guys, if you like this video, then you need to know that we have been talking about SynthSwap in my Discord channel. I have a private Discord where you need a subscription to participate on it, where we cover mainly airdrops, airdrop distribution, and other airdrops that I cannot cover in my videos, how to make money in any possible way in the crypto space. Also, we are looking for gems to buy for the next bull run and crypto portfolio strategies. So many things happening in my Discord right now. And we have been talking a little bit about SynthSwap. I have been following the launch of this project from a while already, but I think it would be worth it to share some thoughts about that. And if you are a follower of my airdrops, I recommend you to check these videos on how my app works. I did this application to make easy to register and to apply it into airdrops, and you can add your custom airdrops, so you are not forced to participate only with my airdrop videos. You can use my app besides my channel. So if you are interested in this video and in these things, check my subscriptions at cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. Guys, SynthSwap is powered by ZyberSwap, and I will give a little context about that. But this is one of the first decentralized exchanges with an automated market maker in the zkSync era ecosystem. Compared to its competitors, SynthSwap will enable trading with the lowest fees. Rewards from staking and yield farming will be among the most lucrative. And all this and more will be possible thanks to the highly efficient concentrated liquidity. If you are not familiar with that term, I recommend you to go and Google it and understand how this liquidity works, because it's different and how usually another DX work it in terms of liquidity and how they process that. So uniquely to the zkSync era ecosystem, SynthSwap will offer its user active liquidity management. So all these terms, I'm not going to explain that because if not, the video will be too long. But you can Google about those terms so you educate yourself about how this DX works. So the first thing to comment here is that SynthSwap is powered by ZyberSwap. I did a video about ZyberSwap in the past. Right now the token is at 79 cents. But this token, this project also has a DX on Arbitrum. This was created for the Arbitrum ecosystem, and they are launching now a DX into the zkSync ecosystem. Why I'm bullish on SynthSwap? First, because I was bullish on ZyberSwap. I know that many of you hated my video because this token went from cents into $23 at one point. So it was like 20 or 50 X's. Many people did money with this. And actually, at that moment, if you were to DeFi Jama and check the Arbitrum ecosystem, ZyberSwap was at position 2 just behind GMX. This was like 1 or 2 months ago, and this was a moment where nothing was happening in the ecosystem. And now you can see, if you go down here, that ZyberSwap is at position 22 with only $19 million on TVL. At some point, I think it was 270 million on TVL. So ZyberSwap did it great. Market conditions affected that the price dumped, but also just the hype that this project had when it was pumping like crazy. So if you check my video and you see the comment, you will see that when I covered it, it was around $10 and went into $23. During those time I only received thank you messages for that video, but after it started to dump from 23 to now, I just have been receiving hate on those comments in that video. I understand simple and super basic psychology of being human, so I am not mad or angry about that, but because the token went from 23 to 17 now, that doesn't make me less bullish in this project. I think now enter it in a common phase for creating utility for the token and continue working. And I think that ZyberSwap launching another DX in another blockchain that will be maybe superior in some aspect to Arbitrum, I think is a great idea and a great way to increase capital on the company and manage both projects in those two layers. I am bullish, guys. I don't know what to say. Even if seeing this chart, I think we have an opportunity to maybe have something similar for SynthSwap. If you go right now to synthswap.io, you will see this button to launch the app, but actually there's nothing here yet, so the app is not live yet. But what is live is that SynthSwap is in a pre-sale state in the launchpad of ZyberSwap. This already started the 24th of April and it will end the 30th of April. So you still have 4 days in order to participate here. And the pre-sale is here on app.zyberswap.io. On the launchpad you will find SynthSwap. And like you can see here on the documentation of ZyberSwap about SynthSwap, if you stake it in the past days, some SIV, you will get a 10% discount for the pre-sale. That is already finished, so you cannot do that. But the public sale model, it will have two phases. The first phase is until the 150 Ethereum. This initially, the auction will start with a fully diluted valuation of 750 Ethereum, fixing a 0.015 Ethereum floor price for Synth. This was around $30 per token. And the second phase is price discovery. After the 150 Ethereum is raised, we will enter a price discovery phase where the token price will continuously increase at every purchase. So right now we are in that phase 2. The phase 1 ended yesterday. Sorry I couldn't get this video before that. I entered my positions there. And you may say, well, $30 or a little more, I think it's a lot for one token. But the thing that you need to understand is the total supply is 50 million. So it's really not a big amount of tokens. So the price, I think it was fair. And like I say, if we go to the launchpad, now you can connect your wallet here to see all the information correctly. And now you can see the price table here. So from 150 to 350, the price is 0.02 Ethereum per token. So right now the total price is 187 Ethereum. The same price, like we just say, 0.02. The circulating market cap is 528,000, so it's really low. And this ends in 4 days and 20 hours at the time of recording. So you still can buy here. You will need Ethereum, and this is on Arbitrum network. So if you want to buy, you just put here the amount that you want to buy. You need to have that amount of Ethereum here in your wallet. You can see I have 0.03, so I will be able to buy one and a little more. And then you just click buy and it's super easy. You are going to be set with your buy order. And after you buy, you are going to see this information here that your purchase history, token claim. So you will know that you have your buy there. And like you can see here, guys, the listing price of one synth is going to be 0.03 Ethereum. I bought at 0.015. So I will be making 100x already from the listing price. And if you buy right now at 0.02, you will be on a 50% of profit from the listing price. Like always, anything can happen here. For no means you need to take this video that I am encouraging you to buy. I am just sharing you because I invested, but this is not financial advice, only my opinion and why I think there's great opportunities for this token. Also because, guys, I am super hype and bullish on ZkSync. If they get an airdrop and they don't do the same mistake that we, I think this could be enormous for ZkSync ecosystem, and the first DXs that launch it there are going to make it great. At least like happened with Arbitrum and ZyberSwap on the first run, I think this is a great opportunity. I think this token could easily do 5x's if the timings are correctly for the launch of this and the market is a little bullish or at least goes sideways. So many opportunities for me for this token, that is why I am covering. Also because belongs and is powered by ZyberSwap. If not, I will be a little more skeptic. But I really think that ZyberSwap has been doing everything great on Arbitrum. Very high yields when you stake. Very good ecosystem they created there. So yeah, I am bullish on the project and I will be bullish on SynthSwap right now. That is why I invested. So again, this is not financial advice, guys. Just wanted to share my thought on SynthSwap. And again, I am not being paid for saying anything here. I was not contacted by the team. I know other YouTubers have been contacted and are doing paid reviews about SynthSwap, and it's okay about that. But I just want to be clear that this video is not like those, because I am not being paid. I enter it because I believe in it, and I think I can do a good trade on this. And also understand that I am speculating on the launch and making some quick money after they launch it on ZkSync era, and this is live. I am not thinking this as a long-term hold. Just understand that too. And just guys, to finalize this, I will give here the SynthSwap giveaway link. This is a refer link, so you help me also to participate on this. But basically, there's going to be a giveaway of $10,000 on Synth tokens. You can see already 60,000 entries, and this is going to happen in 15 days, so you really have time. And the things that you need to do are very basic. Just follow the Twitter account, retweet some tweets of Zyber and SynthSwap, like some things and comment people. Like always, visit the website and refer friends for extra entries. Like always, because I put a refer link for this. If you help me with that refer links and I am one of the winners, I will do a giveaway for my community. So I already did that in the past when users use my refer link. When I get a reward for that, I will do a giveaway. So that will be all, guys. Just a review of SynthSwap, why I am bullish, why I think there's at least short-term bullishness on this, on the launchpad, and why I already invested in the phase 1. If you want to invest, I think phase 2 actually is great too, because of the listing price at 3, so you already have a 50% of advantage. When they launch it, you even can put some sell orders to protect your investment below the 0.02 price, which is what you pay in the case that they dump it. But if not, you can just leave a little run on this and maybe take some profits there, at least take your investment if you believe from the long term, or you can just sell everything and get your rewards. So these are my thoughts on SynthSwap, my strategy. Check the link on the description to the giveaway. And also remember, guys, if you like this, we already talked about this about 3 days ago, and you will be in the first phase of this pre-sale if you have been in my Discord, because we covered this 2 days ago. So yeah, my Discord is really great. I appreciate everyone that is there, bringing useful information to everyone, helping each other. I am really sure that we are going to make a lot of money during this year in that Discord channel. We already started with the Arbitrum airdrop distribution, but we are going to get more for sure. And also you have my application, guys. It's a game changer if you are applying with multiple wallets. It's going to make you so happy when you get your first result. Remember, I applied to Arbitrum with 12 wallets thanks to my application. It was super easy using my app, applying to 12 wallets, and I received a lot of money, guys, from Arbitrum airdrop. I am still enjoying just a percentage of what I sell, so I am super happy with that. And more is going to happen in this year, so check my subscriptions, use my app, apply to all these airdrops videos that I cover, and add your custom airdrops. It's going to be a great year for us in the airdrop hunter path. That will be all, guys. Remember, before you leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.